Namaskar. These days, the word weight loss has become increasingly popular. But today, I would like to emphasize that achieving an ideal body weight as well as maintaining the ideal weight is more important than simply reducing calories. Try to be healthy and maintain your ideal weight according to your body mass index or BMI. Only then you will be able to maintain your fitness and stamina. So, today I will be sharing you a powerful drink that can help you tremendously in maintaining your ideal weight and avoid gaining more kilos. This amazing drink is the wheatgrass drink. When you drink it daily, your weight will stay as it is, it will not increase. We generally focus on losing weight, but when we stop exercising and following a diet plan, then we gain weight again. This herbal drink is low in calorie and no fat, making it an excellent choice for preventing weight gain. You have to drink 60 ml of freshly juiced wheatgrass without the addition of water or other juices daily in the early morning on an empty stomach to let it work wonders for you and help you avoid weight gain. So let us know, how can wheatgrass drink help you in weight loss? Number 1, boosts metabolism. When you burn more calories than you eat, naturally you will lose weight. Wheatgrass can help you losing weight by boosting metabolism. This way you will burn more calorie at rest. And also when you are active, if your metabolism is high, then again you will lose weight. Your metabolism is a process by which your body creates and burns energy from the food you eat. Wheatgrass juice also decreases cholesterol if consumed regularly. Second, keeps you satiated. Wheatgrass is a nutrient-dense food that keeps you full for a longer period of time. This may assist you in reducing your craving for sugary or fatty food. Reducing your calorie intake can help you to lose weight fast. Wheatgrass might also help you to manage appetite because it is high in nutrient and fiber. Third, it regulates thyroid. Wheatgrass also has selenium, which helps to boost thyroid function, which in turn is very much helpful in weight management. The hormone secreted by thyroid gland helps in the regulation of metabolism. Your metabolism slows down when the thyroid produces fewer hormones. As a result, you will gain weight because you will not burn calorie efficiently. So, have a glass of wheatgrass juice regularly, daily, to help thyroid functioning. Fourth, a complete nourishment. Wheatgrass is also known as complete nourishment and has several therapeutic effects. Wheatgrass is an excellent choice for improving your health due to its rich blend of minerals and vitamins. Wheatgrass is high in antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory compounds. The greatest way to reap all the wheatgrass benefits is to consume it in its natural form. Hence, fresh wheatgrass juice is the greatest option. But if fresh leaves are not available, you can easily get wheatgrass powder from nearby Ayurveda stores and have it with water as instructed on the pack. If you are trying wheatgrass for the very first time, take a small dose and slowly, gradually increase the amount in order to meet the recommended requirement. This will assist body in adapting and easily digesting wheatgrass. So, try this excellent drink and prevent gaining extra calories that are difficult to lose. Be sure to stay consistent and also consume the wheatgrass drink in moderation. Along with this powerful drink, stay dedicated to an active and healthy lifestyle and keep a healthy diet. Eat fresh and nutritious food in moderation. Stay active throughout the day to keep your metabolism high. Drink plenty of fluid. Dedicate your time to exercise regularly. Do all this if you want to prevent excess weight gain. By following this holistic approach, you will not just lose weight quickly, but also you will be able to maintain your ideal weight. Namaskar.